Ipe Decking is a natural wood product that is used for decking and other exterior applications. Ipe is a natural hardwood that is harvested primarily in Brazil, and it is a hardwood. It's very dense, it's denser than water, it's clear of knots, and it lasts 50 to 100 years. Ipe Decking is installed on traditional pressure-treated framing, and it requires very little maintenance. As opposed to, like, if you compare it to pressure-treated or cedar, it doesn't need to be sanded every year. It doesn't need to be stained like pressure-treated or cedar because it doesn't absorb much stain. It only needs to be oiled, and it needs to be pressure washed every few years. As far as longevity, as far as performance, as far as being dimensionally stable over time, there is no better natural wood product on the market today than Ipe Decking. Ipe has earned a tremendous reputation among different architects in Toronto and other areas of Canada, and it continues to grow in popularity among people who are looking for a natural product that feels natural, that performs natural. And unlike composites or PVCs, Ipe does not heat up so much in the sun, which is very important to some customers. So if you're looking for a premium natural wood product, remember this: there's no better product than Ipe Decking.